Hey, what's up guys? It's Shaun and you're watching your favorite YouTube channel. Okay, let's learn together. Today we want to talk about direct client. Yes, this is part 2 and this is very important tutorial for all freelancer who is really want to work with direct client. This tutorial is very important because I will share very special tricks for you, and after watching this tutorial you can easily collect your direct client and you can earn more money using this trick. Okay, so first of all we will talk about email tracking, and then we will talk about write email with ChatGPT. Yes, this is very important because email tracking is very important. When you will send some email, that's time you need to check the clients or the recipient or not, he reads your email or not. If you can track your client's email open, you can easily retarget or you can easily send again your reply email or retargeted email. This is very important for client hunting. So we will discuss about this in this tutorial. Also we can easily write some email example for our service using a ChatGPT. This is very important. So let's get started. Okay, first of all we will go Google and search email tracker extension. Email tracker Chrome extension, and this is the email tracker extension I will use. This is very important, and this extension works well, and this is very special for me because if you want to track your email using a free definitely you can use it from this. Okay, after search you will see this kinds of interface, and you should click this link, mailtrack.io. this is the main website, and after open you will see these kinds of things and just install for free. Okay, so this is really cool I think, and just add to Chrome, add extension, and wait for a few second for extension of installation, and just click connect with Google. After that if you want you can go for any plan, but I want to go for free because we want to share these tricks for the beginner who is really want to earn money without any investing any money. Okay, so let's start with this. All the thing is set. Now go to Gmail. After that you will see the mail notification here, and this is icon client and open our client already. How we can track? So I want to share something from here. I have to delete it, and I want to compose some mail here, and then when you will send, after that you will see the send option, and here all the mail here you will see you have already sent. Okay, so now I want to compose one. So, and obviously please click here to remove the link and cross it. Okay, so I want to send email here for testing purpose. So here is the option, and you need to write subject. I guess is subject definitely, because when your client see your email, that's time if your subject will eye catchy, definitely he or she will open this mail, and definitely it is very important to open this mail. After that, reply this mail. Okay, so we want to create our email and email subject using a ChatGPT. So let's go to ChatGPT. If you don't have any account of ChatGPT, you should create them. So just search on Google ChatGPT. After that, you will see this website, and I have already created. So I want to open ChatGPT. Then I want to search here, and I want to command here. Please write an email for social media marketing. Okay, after that I will hit enter, and just wait for a few seconds, and ChatGPT will create or write your email. Definitely a great email, and you should rewriting and rearrange all the things for your need, and after that you should send the mail. Also, you should send only 7 or 10 emails from your Gmail per day, because when you will send a lot of email from your Gmail, it's gonna spam. So think it just send daily 7 or 10 email from your Gmail. Okay, so I want to copy here. Also, I want to copy here. Okay, so here is it, and I want to open Notepad for rearrange or correction. So here you will just write your client name. I want to write my client name, for example, Adam, and here is my name, and here is my company name, like ABC, for example. Okay, so I want to copy it from here, and I want to put on my email section. After that, I want to put the subject. So I want to put here. Then I want to click the send option. Okay, so I want to click here the send. After that, you will see the notification your mail has been sent. So now we just want to see our client or targeted people my email open or not. So how we can do this? It's simple. Just we will go the send option, then we will see these kinds of thing. The green mark is here, only one. When our client or targeted people open this mail, that time it will be double green, and this is very interesting, I think, for free version. Okay, so for testing purpose, I want to open this mail because I have sent this mail for my another email for testing purpose, and I want to open it. And now after open, you can see these kinds of things like two green mark here, and here is the notification, read your email less than 1 minute. That is great for direct client hunting. I think this is very important for all the freelancer and all the people who is really want to earn money from direct client. Okay, now also you can see the active here because your client is active now. So if you want, you can reply, you can resend your another email for your client. You can easily do this. Okay, so also my English is not good because I'm not a native English speaker. Please forgive for this, and please if you think this tutorial is very helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Must create, I want to make some extra high quality tutorial for you guys, and definitely that will be best for you. Okay, so the another thing is after this generating this email, you need some title for subject, for email subject. So we want to just comment here, please write top 10 subject about social media service. So ChatGPT will give us a top 10 best eye catchy email subject that will help for email sending. Okay, so we want to command it. So after command, you can easily see this ChatGPT just writing for you, and you will get top 10 email subject. And this is very important, and daily please try to send different type of email and rewrite and regenerate or rewrite, and for unique and definitely you will get the best results. So this is very important tutorial for all guys, and please comment below if you have any question, and if you have any suggestion, definitely I will answer within 24 hours, and I will make the part 3. And till then, tata, goodbye, thanks.